Now, from the station that's working for you, covering Boca Raton, the Palm Beaches, and the Treasure Coast, this is CBS 12 News at 6.
Welcome back. Just in time for Mother's Day, a local mom gets the gift of life.
She has skin cancer, but she doesn't have a job, health insurance, or funds to pay for treatment. What she does have is a doctor who's helping her and many others like her for free.
My finger's resting on you a little bit.
Delray Beach dermatologist and Mohs surgeon Dr. John Strasswimmer is removing a skin cancer from Juanita Border's back, one of several cancers he's removed at no cost to her.
To me, it makes me cry, you know, because without him, my kids might not have a mom in a few years.
Juanita is a single mother of 5. The youngest has Down syndrome. She lost her job and her health benefits a year and a half ago, right after her brother died of skin cancer.
The other day, you know, my kids were like, "Mommy, you're going through so much pain." And I said, well, guys, you know, it's better than the alternative.
Skin cancer, if diagnosed early and treated early, is curable, nearly always.
That's why Dr. Strasswimmer donates so much of his time and services and started the Skin Cancer and Albino Fund, which supports clinics here and abroad. He says there are plenty of doctors willing to help. They just need a place and a way to do it.
If you make things easy for doctors, doctors will come and do it. But a doctor can't go into a clinic where there's no stitches, no nurses, nobody to call back the patients with biopsy results and test results. So we have to build up some of that infrastructure to them.
Juanita says she'll be eternally grateful to Dr. Strasswimmer and his staff, and she encourages patients who need help not to give up.
Go to CareDad, you know, try to find a doctor that will take care of you. If you keep looking, you will find that special person that will help you.
Now, if you live in Palm Beach County, make less than $44,000 a year, and don't qualify for government assistance, here's a program that can help you with health care. It's called Project Access and runs with volunteer physician care, hospital care, diagnostic services, and medication assistance. If you would like to be screened to see if you qualify, call the number on your screen, 561-433-3940, extension 29. Not surprisingly, Dr. Strasswimmer is nominated for a Heroes in Medicine Award.
Thanks, Liz. For a Hero in Medicine Award.
One of them is a local dermatologist who has made it his mission to provide medical care to the needy in the world, at home and abroad. CBS 12's Liz Quirantes has more.
Delray Beach dermatologist and Mohs surgeon Dr. John Strasswimmer is removing yet another skin cancer from a patient who has no insurance and no money to pay him. It's part of the extensive volunteer work he does here at home and in Africa, where he works with albino Africans.
Because the parents of these children don't know why they're born white, and because they don't know about the effect between the sun and the development of skin cancer, these little children at age 6 to 8 are already developing skin cancers that need to be treated.
And most die slow, painful deaths in their 20s or 30s. Dr. Strasswimmer educates parents and doctors about albinism, about the importance of wearing hats, sunglasses, and long-sleeve shirts. He also treats albino patients with skin cancer.
As a Mohs surgeon, we can do very complex skin cancer surgeries in the safety of an office-based environment. That means there's no need to go to a hospital, because you can imagine in Africa, the amount of hospital resources they have is exceedingly limited.
Not just limited, but possibly biased. In many African cultures, albinos are not considered human beings, but spiritual beings. They are killed or mutilated for their body parts, used for rituals by witch doctors.
If a person with albinism walks down the street, the dark-skinned people will spit at him or her, because legend has it, if you don't spit at him or her, you may give birth to a child with albinism.
That inherent bigotry in society could extend to doctors as well. Getting their care out of the big hospital setting and more community-based also keeps down costs.
And that was Liz Quirantes reporting. Now, the 2011 Heroes in Medicine Awards luncheon is Wednesday at the Kravis Center. Liz will be on hand to MC that event.